Yo people, what is going on, man? Back with another video. It's been a while, I know, man, but today, as you can tell from the title, we're gonna go through some changes, man. So the loud exhaust is going and stay installed. We've got a new one going on today. So we're back at GNR Motors today. Gonna do the install of the video. I'm not gonna do anything fancy, just gonna be a quick little blast through. And yeah, man, catch you in a sec. Bow. Yeah, man, so we're back out today. Got the car out. Look what they got here. Crazy. But yeah, man. You know what we do, yeah? While we're waiting, I ain't even flipping open this box yet. So look, this is the new exhaust here from our friends at Integrated Engineering. Yeah, let's get this open and see what's inside, man. See what this new one's saying. Alright. Don't need that. TIG rolls looking alright though. Oh, that's the resonator, innit? It looks good though. Proper TIG rolls, isn't it? Clean. Oh shit. Yeah, looks just as good, bro.
How much is it normally to buy?
I think like 18 bills, I think, 2 bags. Yeah.
You got a fuck for me, right?
100%. What's this here? These are the tips. Okay. Tips look alright. They're big as well. Jeez. Emblem on there. Looks good, man.
Well made exhaust.
Yeah, that's proper clean, man. That's solid. The welds are proper sick. Oh, let me see, bro. Yeah, serious. Even the clamps look sick as well.
Yeah.
That's mental. So we got the tips there as well. So that's the new exhaust we're gonna slap on today. Got the resonator in here as well. So the one I've got right now is non-resonated, so we're gonna get a bit more, or a bit less noise cabin. Or cabin noise, sorry. So this is the old one. Gonna come off. Gonna miss it, boy. Still looks sick. Yeah, it's mad.
Let's open up this other one so you know exactly what
Yeah. So you got all the parts laid out here. Looking fresh. Look at the welding on the clamp. Sick. All the TIG rolls look proper. So we got a resonator on this one. If you don't remember, mine is non-resonated. So we'll get less cabin noise, or a bit less. But look at the back box. Looks crazy. Yeah, it looks good, man. Tips are a good size as well. Let's see if it would pass the test. Okay. Yeah, man, serious bit of kit. Shout outs to Integrated Engineering again, looking after me. If you don't want a link for the part, I'll drop it in the description and go check it out, man. Yeah, that back box is just straight piping.
Yeah, there is no.
It's crazy. The old one, the new one to go on. Resonator and the so-called back box.
We need to check which one.
See this? Bring this cut back.
Yeah, it's this one.
That one, yeah? Cool, has it got 2 clamps on it?
So the resonator's going on first before the back box. Nice and shiny,
Hang on,
but it
that's
won't be
nothing.
for long.
Huh?
That don't fit that.
What, into there? So you've
Yeah.
got to put another reducer into that. So that one's not right. So, you see the other one that we had, the other side?
One, isn't it?
Yeah, you see that one on the side there? One fit.
It's holding a bit, but can you do your side?
When you get the other mount still on the other, you set down part. Ish.
I got it down there.
Yeah,
Might be a bit stiff though.
Proper.
What's this side as well? Fully in.
Breakfast time, Jamie.
Well, the new one's got Allen keys anyway.
So we've got the old valves coming off to go on the new one.
Give me
Is that 4?
nah 3.
You reckon?
Yeah, it looks like a 3.
4, I think it's 4. You had 5 minutes.
So we've got the back box.
You should grab the sleeve off the box. The sleeve come off.
So we got the box going on now. It's not even a back box.
It's just a back.
Just a back.
We've got
the back of the exhaust going on.
Yeah, just leave the slide. Slide the sleeve over. Put that one in.
Yeah, it's like I'm ordinary my way. Oh, don't say that.
Cool.
Just throw it in.
Flip the bracket, man. Take the 13 out. Take it down.
Take it down.
Take that 13 out.
Take 1, cut. Ah! Take 2. The camera's on the wrong way, or the way round.
Tight. It will work, but it's very tight.
No, put it in.
It will work, but you have to go one side at a time. There you go.
Take this 13 back out.
Take it
So
out.
you got to slide it on the thing and then we'll bolt it up.
Flipping it over.
It ain't gonna go that far.
You can't stretch that.
It ain't gonna fit that far.
Yeah, it's not gonna go.
And then undo the other 13, but don't take it out. Yeah?
You sit.
So you're gonna push it over that way.
Yeah.
Just crack it off that one. This one take out.
It looks tiny though, innit?
It does, yeah.
This one take out ish. Put the bolt back in ish.
And there it is, in full effect.
No, we do need an extender because it's too tight to go from this.
Okay, so.
Is it one extender or 2?
There's only one there.
But then
Do you know what I mean? Yeah. So look, might have an issue.
yeah, it's touching.
It's
Why is that
touching.
touching?
It's going to be touching like that inside of it.
It's gonna melt the diffuser.
I think we have to just run it for now, and then I'm gonna have to take it back to the drawing board.
I could offset the tips like that, but then it don't look right because they're angled cut.
Yeah.
They have to kind of be facing up. The cut should be to the top.
What are you saying? We can't bend this out? No.
You ain't gonna bend that, right?
Fuck it, we just make one now, innit?
Some countries drop
joking.
this as well in the factory. Look.
Yeah. These all got no respect. Yeah, fuck it, we'll just run it like this for now, innit?
Okay.
And after just
But it
work
is
something
going
out.
to melt your diffuser, yeah? Most likely.
So once it gets hot enough, just push
It is possible it will melt the diffuser.
That's a risk. We have an issue with the fitment, so the tip is obviously made to go on a stock diffuser. So where mine's got the carbon fibre, there's no space on this side. So I'm gonna have to run it like this for now and hopefully don't do too much damage. But for now, the exhaust looks good. Resonator on. Yeah, man. But yeah, I'm gonna have to see what I have to do about that.
They should be, and then you tell me if they're good. Can you give me a hand back a bit? Look at this. I think flat, a little staggered. They have to be like that.
Yeah.
Because I don't think I can pull them flat. I think it has to stay like that.
Did you say? Oh, it was alright. But I'm just going to...
God, it's proper tight, man.
Yeah.
Proper tight.
I think a little staggered.
Yeah, I think so.
Staggered's nice. Because you know why? It goes with it.
The boys had a bit of an issue with clearance on the diff, and this hanger here wasn't playing ball. But it's all on now, and that's why you come down to GNR's, mate. They got it sorted. System looking clean. Let's go. Obviously now we put the exhaust on now, and we're going to be putting on a brand new charge pack for that better airflow. Obviously I'm always screaming about airflow, and that was the final part to go on. So yeah, we're going to put this charge pack on. Hopefully it's straightforward and a straight fit. So we're going to get the plastic one out and put this one. This is aluminium. Yeah. So you finally got the trap out. Get rid of this plastic. Look at that. Get rid of this plastic part. I'm going with the real charge pack.
That was hard work getting my house.
What was it that was keeping it?
No, you know what it is? To do it properly, you probably got to take out more shit like the fan and all these pipes are in the way.
That's long.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
That's the fresh one going in.
It came out.
Yeah, it just got it out. Busy day at GNR's, boy. Cars everywhere. Got this classic. Check the inside of this. Crazy.
We'll come back to this conversation.
So the exhaust is on. Turbo charge pack is on. Just finishing up the last bits now. Putting the air intake back on. And then we're going to get the start up of the new exhaust to see what it's saying, man. Hopefully sounding good. Obviously we're resonating now, so it might be a bit quieter, but let's see. Huh?
The main thing is going to be no drone.
Yeah, that's the, exactly.
Was it loud before?
Yeah, it's super loud.
You have no resonator. It sounds good.
It sounds good, man. It hasn't got the extra burble because of the resonator, but I'm not mad at it.
No, but when you put the downpipe, that will give it.
Yeah, 100%.
You do that launch noise. Ding, ding, ding.
Don't. Yeah, 100%. Oi.
Now stop here, give it some revs in it outside.
Still sounds good, boy. So guys, that is the car done behind me. We've got that fresh IE exhaust on the car. Gonna really put it through its paces. Gonna have to sort out the tips. My diffuser's a bit bigger than where the tips come out. But that's all right. We'll sort that after. But guys, man, lock in, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one, man. More to come. More to come.